We're behind that car there. Look where the car there. You see where the car there? We just saw you see where the car there. Right? We're behind the car there, sir. Now come from the road, sir. Right? I'm going to show you. I want to show you. Come, let me show you. Because I don't want to see. You see me with that car there, sir? This car was going slow. That car was going slow. It's coming slow on the extreme left, so I even believe that he might go pull over. Alright? You see, I come around him. As me reach, that's how the man just turned, sudden.
So you say he turned across the road without indicating?
Yeah, you get my deal with. When he put on the indicator, I just saw him put on it when he reached, yes sir. That time I get beside him, when me that time me reach. When he put on the indicator. So for me see now, the hold on for my hand and the truck reach here, so. The man looking at me, the man just makes a bam and turn in over there. Look at my wheel marks, my wheel mark there, 15 wheel mark there. And I in there so I go. You understand? You sure so man like you never intend to go in there so you know better me? You know if you see what I talk about.
But you realize you have a unbroken line here, so but up here so it's broken.
Yes sir, up on the broken now I come around him. I not take up on this so because I go slow, you know I go fast, I tell you the truth. So on this so now I come around him. So when I come around him now, because in the extreme in the white line over there. In the white line over there. That's it. And same as we reach as a man just turn across. All the hand, me the hand. You hold on the hand. The man still turning nothing there.
But your truck was on its side, right? Your truck had overturned?
I chucked up on the car. Look on it. I chucked up on the car. Because just to me come around with him now and the loading on the truck. And the loading, I load them, the loading. Everything gone out, I did.
So people came and looted the truck?
Pass by vehicle like them. Then just stop and start full up them vehicle of water. Everything gone, not in one case left up there. You might think I joke now. Not even one case left up there. Yeah man, because I know back in the car front. Look up there. See there? Not even one case of water left up there. You saw people there that pass by do it. I have all for them lights number when I write down still. So I don't know if that is not effect, but I have about 11 of them when I write down. So I don't know if that is no effect, but I have that.
So what's your name?
Rocklin Wright. Rocklin Wright.
Okay. Alright, it's alright.
I don't know if you understand how you see what happened. Let me tell you, I don't know if you understand what I say wrong. This car up on the extreme left, don't have any indicator. I'm going to pass him now because I go slow.
So is the driver from this car still on the scene?
I don't know, I don't see him. All know I don't see him.